A blessed day, dear students. Prepare yourselves for an educational and enjoyable adventure in this video. Today, we'll delve into the captivating subject of legal definitions and penalties for murder, parricide, and homicide in the Philippines. Please keep your safety in mind, and may you always be blessed by the divine. Welcome to the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5. What is the primary factor that establishes malice aforethought in the context of murder? A. Reckless disregard for human life. B. Conscious disregard for safety. C. Specific intent to kill or inflict serious bodily harm. D. Premeditation involving planning in advance. What is the penalty for murder under the revised penal code, without aggravating circumstances? A. Reclusion temporal. B. Reclusion perpetua to death. C. Death penalty. D. Life imprisonment. Which term is used to describe the killing of one's ascendant, descendant, or spouse under Revised Penal Code Article 246? A. Homicide. B. Murder. C. Parricide. D. Infanticide. What does the term ascendant include in the context of parricide? A. Siblings. B. Parents, grandparents, great-grandparents. C. Spouse. D. Descendants. Under Revised Penal Code Article 249, what distinguishes simple homicide from homicide with aggravating circumstances? A. Presence of malice aforethought. B. Reckless disregard for human life. C. Aggravating circumstances. D. Use of excessive means. Please compare your selected answers with the answers listed in the answer key provided. If your chosen answer matches the one in the answer key, mark it as correct. After reviewing all the questions and answers, calculate your final score based on the number of correct answers. Point 3. How did you score? Did you achieve a high score? If yes, congratulations on a job well done. If not, don't worry. We will help you deepen your understanding through this video.
Murder, Revised Penal Code Article 248. Pagpatay. Definition, unlawful killing with malice aforethought intent to kill or inflict serious bodily harm. Definisyon, labag sa batas na pagpatay ng may masamang hangarin sa nakaraan, layong pumatay o magdulot ng malubhang pinsala sa katawan. Malice aforethought established through specific intent, reckless disregard for human life, or conscious disregard for safety. Ang masamang pag-iisip ay itinatag sa pamamagitan ng tiyak na layunin, walang ingat na pagwawalang bahala sa buhay ng tao, o sinasadyang pagwawalang bahala sa kaligtasan. Premeditation involves planning in advance. Kasama sa premeditation ang pagpaplano ng maaga. Penalty, reclusion perpetua, 20 years and isang day to 40 years. Aggravating circumstances may lead to the death penalty. Parusa, reclusion perpetua, 20 taon at isang araw hanggang 40 taon. Ang mga masasamang pangyayari ay maaaring humantong sa parusang kamatayan. Parricide, Revised Penal Code Article 246. Definition, killing of one's ascendant, descendant, or spouse. Kahulugan, pagpatay sa namumuno, inapo, o asawa. Ascendants include parents, grandparents, etc. Descendants include children, grandchildren, etc. Kabilang sa mga ascendants ang mga magulang, lolo't lola, at iba pa. Kabilang sa mga inapo ang mga anak, apo, at iba pa. Penalty, reclusion perpetua to death, regardless of aggravating circumstances. Parusa, reclusion perpetua hanggang kamatayan, anuman ang nagpapalubha ng mga pangyayari. Homicide, Revised Penal Code Article 249. Definition, unlawful killing without malice aforethought. Definition, labag sa batas na pagpatay ng walang masamang pag-iisip. Simple homicide, without aggravating or mitigating circumstances. The penalty is reclusion temporal, 12 years and 1 day to 20 years. Simple homicide, nang walang nagpapalubha o nagpapagaan ng mga pangyayari. Ang parusa ay reclusion temporal, 12 taon at isang araw hanggang 20 taon. Homicide with aggravating circumstances, presence of factors that increase severity. Penalty is reclusion perpetua. Homicide with aggravating circumstances, pagkakaroon ng mga salik na nagpapataas ng kalubhaan. Ang parusa ay reclusion perpetua. Qualified homicide. Kwalipikadong pagpatay. Informal term, not explicitly used in the Revised Penal Code. Informal na termino, hindi tahasang ginamit sa Revised Penal Code. Refers to murder with aggravating circumstances that increase the penalty to reclusion perpetua or death. Tumutukoy sa pagpatay na may nagpapalubha ng mga pangyayari na nagpapataas ng parusa sa reclusion perpetua o kamatayan. Additional notes. Mga karagdagang tala. Aggravating circumstances for murder and homicide include treachery, evident premeditation, cruelty, and the use of excessive means. Ang nagpapalubha ng mga pangyayari para sa pagpatay at pagpatay ay kinabibilangan ng pagtataksil, maliwanag na pagmumuni-muni, kalupitan, at paggamit ng labis na paraan. Ascendant in parricide includes not only parents but also grandparents and great-grandparents. Kasama sa ascendant sa parricide hindi lamang ang mga magulang kundi pati na rin ang mga lolo't lola at lolo't lola. The death penalty may be imposed for murder with aggravating circumstances. Ang parusang kamatayan ay maaaring ipataw para sa pagpatay na may nagpapalubha ng mga pangyayari. Understanding these legal distinctions is essential for practitioners, law enforcement, and individuals involved in the Philippine legal system. The penalties mentioned are in accordance with the Revised Penal Code of the Philippines. Ang pag-unawa sa mga legal na pagkakaiba na ito ay mahalaga para sa mga practitioner, tagapagpatupad ng batas, at mga individual na sangkot sa legal na sistema ng Pilipinas. Ang mga nabanggit na parusa ay alinsunod sa Revised Penal Code of the Philippines.
In the context of homicide, what is the penalty for a killing with aggravating circumstances according to the Revised Penal Code? A. Reclusion temporal. B. Reclusion perpetua to death. C. Death penalty. D. Life imprisonment. What is the informal term used to describe murder with aggravating circumstances, leading to a penalty of reclusion perpetua or death? A. Simple homicide. B. Qualified homicide. C. Aggravated murder. D. Premeditated homicide. Which of the following is not considered an aggravating circumstance for murder and homicide? A. Cruelty. B. Evident premeditation. C. Voluntary surrender. D. Use of excessive means. What does the term mitigating circumstances refer to in the context of homicide? A. Factors that decrease the severity of the offense. B. Presence of malice aforethought. C. Aggravating circumstances. D. Factors leading to premeditation. In the context of parricide, what is the range of penalties according to RPC Article 246? A. Reclusion temporal to reclusion perpetua. B. Reclusion perpetua to death. C. Life imprisonment to death. D. Reclusion perpetua. What is the primary factor that distinguishes murder from simple homicide? A. Presence of malice aforethought. B. Aggravating circumstances. C. Use of excessive means. D. Reckless disregard for human life. According to the revised Penal Code, what are some aggravating circumstances for murder and homicide? A. Infanticide, self-defense, insanity. B. Treachery, evident premeditation, cruelty. C. Voluntary surrender, passion and obfuscation, mistake of fact. D. Recklessness, negligence, involuntary intoxication. What penalty may be imposed for murder with aggravating circumstances, according to the information provided? A. Reclusion temporal. B. Reclusion perpetua. C. Death penalty. D. Life imprisonment. What is the primary factor that establishes malice aforethought in the context of murder? A. Reckless disregard for human life. B. Conscious disregard for safety. C. Specific intent to kill or inflict serious bodily harm. D. Premeditation involving planning in advance. What is the penalty for simple homicide under Revised Penal Code Article 249? A. Reclusion temporal. B. Reclusion perpetua to death. C. Death penalty. D. Life imprisonment. Please compare your selected answers with the answers listed in the answer key provided. If your chosen answer matches the one in the answer key, mark it as correct. After reviewing all the questions and answers, calculate your final score based on the number of correct answers. Point 3. How did you score? Did you achieve a high score? If so, congratulations on a job well done. If not, don't worry. You can review this video to further enhance your understanding of the topic. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13. I hope you found our teacher Lumaban's self-learning video enjoyable and informative. If you gained new knowledge from this video, we would greatly appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to share it with your friends. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. We value your feedback. Thank you very much for watching our videos. We hope to see you again in our next video. May God bless you always. Welcome to the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.